Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix slow file explorer on your Windows 11. So you can try this method on your Windows 10 PC as well as when you're opening file explorer, or you're opening any files folder on your file explorer, or you are searching anything on your file explorer. It is working very slow, or your file explorer is not responding. If you are facing this kind of problem issue, so you can try this easy and simple method. First you need to close your file explorer, right click on the empty space taskbar and open the task manager from here like this. Okay, and then guys, here you need to find out Windows Explorer. So just press W from your keyboard and find out the Windows Explorer. Right click on it, and here you can get the option restart. Just you need to select it. Okay, afterwards it will restart your file explorer, Windows Explorer, and don't close it taskbar, task manager. Here you need to search all unused application. Okay, so just right click on unused application, and here you can get the option end tasks. So one by one you need to do this. So one more thing you need to do, you need to go to startup tab like this, and here you need to disable the all startup apps. Okay, right click on your app and disable it like this. Okay, after doing this guys, restart your PC one time and then open the file explorer. Now let's see it will work fine. Okay, still in case your file explorer is not working fine, you can try the next method. Open the file explorer and go to three dots, go to options like this. Okay, and here you need to uncheck this both boxes: show recently used files in quick access and show frequently used folder in quick access. Just you need to uncheck this, and then here you can get the option clear file explorer history. Just click on clear button and then click on apply, and okay, that's it. Okay, afterwards guys, you need to check your C drive space in case your C drive is almost full. So at that time you can also get this type of problem. So to free up your space, you need to clear the all temporary files, and you need to delete the unused application. Main important thing guys, you need to empty your recycle bin. Just right click on your recycle bin, and here you can get option empty recycle bin. That's it. Okay, so it will also helps you to clear the C drive. Okay, and then it will helps you to fix your problem. So one more method you can do guys, you need to open the control panel on your PC like this. In the control panel, just you need to extend category, select large icons, and from here you need to find out indexing option and open it like this. Okay, and then guys, here you can get the option troubleshoot search and indexing. Just you need to click on that option. It will start the detecting your problem. Just follow the on-screen instruction procedure to fix this issue. Okay, so here it will ask you what kind of problem you're facing. Just select your problem like this, and then click on next. Follow the on-screen instruction. Afterwards close this, close this. One more thing you need to do guys, you need to update your PC. To update the PC, go to Windows settings, go to Windows update. From here you can easily able to update your PC. Okay, so these are the easy and basic method to fix this slow file explorer problem on your PC. Okay, so comment down below which option, which method was worked with you. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.